So as you can see, VGR just released another foyer shaver, and you can use it wet or dry. And this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Let's get straight to the point, man. This is VGR with the model number V362 and got IPX6 1400 milliamp hour lithium battery. So got 2 hours charging time and 120 minutes operating time. Got 2 colors, one pure blue, dark blue, and the other one white and blue. And I guess I took the blue one. I can't remember. Yeah, the blue one. Okay, so now let's open it, man. So this is it. And you got extra foil, which is good. Okay. You got the cable, a USB-C. You got the little bag, the manual, and brush. That's it. So now this is the foyer shaver. Charging port, a USB-C, and I don't really like this shaver right here, so it makes it more a home use type, which I don't really like. Okay, and here I got LCD display, power button, and here you can open. Yeah, so this is the cutter. Here, let's take it out. See? So I'm not gonna make a tear down in this one. I guess it's easy to make a tear down, but I'm not gonna make. Okay, got 2 speed. So now that's it for the unboxing of this VGR foil shaver. And peace, man.